What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. And this today on this video, you guys, what I want to do, it's a nice day, very nice day, but it is muddy, muddy. Beautiful day. And today, you guys, on this video, what I want to do is I want to take this plow off. Winter season's not over, but I'd like to take that off. We are gonna take this truck 2 hours away. This is my 2012 Chevy 2500Hd, and this truck is all paid off. So I still want to keep it nice, you guys, and clean, since I don't think I'm gonna sell this. Since it's paid off, it's making us money. And I think I've got all the truck that I need literally. I got the 2019 2500HD Duramax diesel, and then I have the 2015 GMC Denali. That's a 2500HD as well, and it's a diesel. And so I'm trying to keep all these trucks looking fresh, looking nice still. Last us a few more years, but you know, Denali, I don't owe much on that either, and the 19, I don't think I owe. You guys, it's just, money's just, it's relevant, and you know, in a few years, it's gonna be my truck. So, so I still want to keep it looking nice. But the reason why what I'm gonna do is, as you can see, we're going up and sitting on this. I got a seat cover on this one right now, but the rest of the seat in here is nice. It's still good, you guys. But we're gonna switch it into leather, you guys. So we got a guy that's gonna be putting leather in here for us. So we're converting all these to leather, and it's a cover, but I think he actually takes this one out and actually puts a real, like a, I don't think it's real leather, but it's like leather looking. Not sure what it's called. And most important, you know, both of these front will be leather, but I really want this fixed because it's a nice truck still. It has, let me see how many miles it's got on here. Need to change oil here. It has 143,937 miles. So it's I bought it, God, I bought this like 7 years ago, and it's been good to me. The only thing that I had to fix was the manifold like the gasket, I think, on the manifold. And so we fixed that because it was ticking every time you turned on, and it didn't have much power because it was leaking. And so that's the only major thing that I had done to it. And so I'll give you guys a walk around of this truck. It's nice. It's 4x4. And so we have the fender flares on there. Right now, we got the 2019 Chevy rims on here and tires. Since I got new wheels for my 2019. Actually, yeah, it's new, but it's stock. You guys can see it's a stock 18-inch midnight black, they call it, the stock rims, and it's running on the Goodyear Wrangler Duratrack, and it's a 275/65/18. So it's a Duratrack tires. It's great. So that's what I have on that one right there. And so those stock rims came onto this one. Looking nice. So that's it. This is peeling just a little bit. Like, I don't know. What I might have to do is get a new. Yeah, it is peeling. Get a new, I don't know, headlight maybe. I'm not sure. Might have to. It's just a clear coat, I think, that came off of this. But the only rust this has, it's got not much rust down. There's no rust down here. The only rust that we had was, I think, in here just a little bit. That the body is still good, you guys. You know, still clean for 2012. Hood is still nice, you know. So it's a gas truck. It's been good to me. I got to get this DOT'd again. Go get it inspected and DOT for this coming season. So yeah, that's what we're doing. I might as well give you guys a tour of, or a look at this 2019 as well. So here's the 2019. It's got a Boss plow mount on there. It's got a Duramax Allison transmission. I'm not going to go there. It's dirty, muddy. I'll have to pull it on this way. But yeah, this is a LTZ package. Let's see. I didn't lift. It's not lifted or leveled, so it's stock. Everything is all stock. Everything's all stock, guys. So yeah, it's a nice truck, 2019. I think I've got 31,000 miles on this one. So, all right, let's get this. I'm gonna put this on a pallet. Starting to take out the seats here. As you guys can see, seats going out. That there. Seats going out. This wall here. It's a nice shot. Look at this thing. Alright guys, the front seat's out. You guys can see, back seat, working on it. What a mess, you guys, look at this. All the stuff you can find in here. Man. Woo. Didn't realize how much junk I got. Didn't realize how much junk I got underneath my seat. Oh, those are nice. Sweet.
So you can see the white lining, that's vinyl.
Okay.
And then if you look at some of these pieces in here, you see how there's no white lining, no white lining to it. So it's basically, this is all leather. This is PVC. plug the harness back in for the center console.
No, I didn't bolt the seat down or anything.
Oh, okay.
I just set it there.
Good.
Because I knew because I didn't know. I'll tighten these up if you want to start working on things.
Don't forget this center seat belt. Yep. We used to use a heat gun, and some guys still do, but you can get it hot enough to melt the vinyl actually.
Wow. Yeah, that looked much better.
Yeah, it just tightens them up a little. And
It's like a brand new truck
yeah,
now.
do you have any business cards? We got all our tools up. I'll run up to the house. I think I got one of the thank you card things that Lexi made us up there that has all our Instagram products. I have some up there too. In fact, there were two on my desk. They're like a postcard size. And there's somewhere on the desk there should be business cards too, but
like it, love it. Looking good.
Yeah.
Alright guys, so we are all complete here. Check this out. Check that out. Look at that. You guys. Wow. Look at that. Brand new truck. I'll show you this side here where the thing was actually bad. Look at that. And all fixed up right there. Everything's all leathered. Right here, leathered. It's kind of dark here, but it turned out great.